55 tips that can help you reduce belly fat.
4. Eating more protein is the best long-term strategy for reducing belly fat. Protein is the most important macronutrient when it comes to losing weight. It has been shown to reduce cravings by 60%, boost metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day and help you eat up to 441 fewer calories per day. If weight loss is your goal, then adding protein to your diet is perhaps the single most effective change you can do. Not only will it help you lose, it can also help you avoid regaining weight if you ever decide to abandon your weight loss efforts. There is also some evidence that protein is particularly effective against belly fat. A study in Denmark showed that protein, especially animal protein, was linked to significantly reduced risk of belly fat gain over a period of 5 years. This study also showed that refined carbs and vegetable oils were linked to increased amounts of belly fat, but fruits and vegetables linked to reduced amounts. Many of the studies showing protein to be effective had protein at 25 to 30% of calories. That's what you should aim for. Another study showed that the amount and quality of protein consumed was inversely related to fat in the belly. That is, people who ate more and better protein had much less belly fat. So, make an effort to increase your intake of unprocessed eggs, fish, seafood, meats, poultry and dairy products. These are the best protein sources in the diet. If you struggle with getting enough protein in your diet, then a quality protein supplement, like whey protein, is a healthy and convenient way to boost your total intake. Expert advice: consider cooking your foods in coconut oil. Some studies have shown that 30 milliliters, about 2 tablespoons, of coconut oil per day reduces belly